Hi, in this video we're going to continue building our Greek column. Check out my part 1 to get to this step. Okay, now you're at this step, you're going to select the cylinder that's a hole, and we're going to copy it by clicking copy, and then we want to paste it at least 4 times. We're going to want at least 5 of these. You can always make more if you need to, or delete them if you want to. Once you've made your copies, we're going to adjust our camera so we have kind of a high angle. I'm going to take one of my copies, and what we're going to do is we're going to sink this in just a little bit to one of the edges of the cylinder. And then we want to continue that process going around the cylinder, leaving some solid space between. So you can see right here we have some solid space. You don't want to put them too close together. This is more of an art than a science, so just kind of make it how you like the look of it. Continue the process going around the cylinder. It's hard to get them perfect, but you just want to get them pretty close to evenly spaced. Put that there. Bring one more around. It looks like I'm going to have space for one more after this, so I'm going to paste it one more time and fit one in right there. There's a top-down view to see how this looks. Again, it's not usually going to be perfect. You can use the arrow keys to tap your cylinders over a little bit to try to get them as closely to evenly spaced as possible. Once you have that done, we're going to make sure that the base is out of the way because we don't want to touch it. We want to do a drag and select of all of our cylinders. Make sure that you don't catch the base over there. Once the cylinders are all selected, we're going to click the group button. And now we have this grouped, and you can see the effect that we created. If you don't like the way it looks, you can press ungroup and then remove your cylinders as needed. Now we're going to drag this back, and we can actually slide this right underneath. You don't need to lift this column. The column can stay on the ground. If you wanted your cylinder taller, you could lift this column up like I just did, but we'll leave it on the ground just for the tutorial. Now let's use our align tool. So I'm going to click and drag and select everything. I'm going to click align, and we want to make sure the middle the middle black handle there is selected. And the middle black handle there is selected. They turn like a light gray, whitish color once they've been selected. Once you've done that, we're going to go and click the group button to group it all together. And now we've made the main part of this column. In the next video, we are going to make the part that goes on top.